As we all know, the aviation industry is constantly evolving, and so we need to be more dynamic than ever before. With increasing passenger volumes and evolving regulations, there's no question that your baggage management needs are also shifting. To help navigate those shifting needs, Brock Solutions offers SmartBag, a comprehensive and flexible baggage management and reconciliation system for airports, airlines, and ground handlers. A key product within our SmartSuite platform, SmartBag provides end-to-end baggage reconciliation, tracking, and recovery in order to reduce mishandled and delayed bags, improve the overall bag room performance, and enhance the passenger experience. It's a great option for airlines who want to deploy a solution at their busy hub stations, and for airports who need to provide their baggage handlers with the flexibility of a full-service BRS. SmartBag offers a wide variety of deployment options and functionality, providing your team with the tools they need, where they need them, when they need them, and all without breaking the bank. The SmartBag product contains 5 modules that can either be deployed as standalone solutions, or more effectively, together, to provide total end-to-end management of baggage. SmartBag Reconciliation, the cornerstone module of SmartBag, reconciles passengers and their checked bags by scanning each bag as it's loaded into a container or onto an aircraft, providing a clear, real-time indication of which bags have the authority to be loaded. Action items about status changes and last seen location information give baggage handlers the information they need to be as efficient as possible and ensure the right bags are loaded on the right flights. Flight loading progress can be monitored in real time via the user's handheld device or via dashboards on the SmartSuite web client. Once loading is finished, SmartBag supports all documentation needed for regulatory compliance, including hold bag manifest declaration, flight manifest report, flight closeout, and a flight loading summary. To comply with IATA 753 standards, SmartBag tracking allows baggage handlers to scan bags throughout the airport, track the locations of all bags, and view detailed bag and flight information. An unlimited number of scan points can be configured in the system, creating additional granularity of data that can be used to help track and trace bags throughout their journey. In the event that a bag misses its flight, airlines can use SmartBag Recovery, a powerful, mobile reflighting tool for connecting passengers with delayed baggage as efficiently and cost-effectively as possible. Delayed bag processing is as easy as scanning the bag tag, selecting a new flight from a list of automatically recommended options, printing an overlay from a portable printer, and affixing it to the existing bag tag. It then updates all necessary systems with the new route information. For an automated process, SmartBag Auto Recovery can reflight bags without manual operator intervention. By leveraging messaging with the BHS, Auto Recovery will apply any business rules, identify a new flight, and then send the bag for retagging or rescreening as required. And by using the SmartSuite web client, which can be accessed from any web-enabled device, recovery actions and reporting don't have to be performed with a bag in hand, but can also be performed from a centralized location. Taking it a step further, SmartBag Baggage Services Office gives passengers a self-service option to report and arrange the delivery of their mishandled baggage. Passengers can make reports right from their smartphones via a microsite and track the recovery process, eliminating the need to wait in line to speak to an agent or to call the airline for updates on their bag. Having a virtual BSO also allows airlines to reduce their physical space at airports and streamline resources. And last but not least, SmartBag Grouping enables the creation of configurable, rule-based groups for baggage based on criteria such as time, flight, status, and airline to better manage operations. Baggage is handled more efficiently during loading or recovery with grouping, and tracking information can be shared with other authorized SmartSuite users. Additionally, SmartBag Grouping can be used as a cost-effective early bag storage solution. a great option for smaller airports who want to avoid the large capital cost and construction time of automated systems. SmartBag can also be integrated with other SmartSuite products and modules to seamlessly connect all of your operations together. For example, when deployed with SmartLoad, baggage handlers can load and reconcile cargo alongside baggage, while the load planning integration module provides integration with your weight and balance system by sending actual load counts in real time or at flight closeout. It can even receive load plans generated by your weight and balance system and enforce them in the bag room and on the ramp. Rock Solutions' agile approach to product management and software development allows for new and advanced features to be added regularly. This ensures that SmartSuite and SmartBag are always improving and evolving in concert with airport and airline requirements, as well as with industry standards. As mentioned before, there are several options in the device you choose for the bag room and ramp. SmartBag can be deployed on anything from a ruggedized handheld scanner procured by yourself or by Brock to the smartphones your staff may already use for other ramp applications. We want to ensure that the solution is right for your operations and your budget. Our cloud-first approach eliminates the need for costly on-site server hardware, reduces project startup time and costs, and maximizes system uptime by allowing us to proactively monitor the full stack of your system from the software to the underlying infrastructure. It also means that it's easier to upgrade and build on your solution to keep your system relevant to meet your personal needs and challenges. As you can see, we offer a lot of flexibility when it comes to our products and their deployments, and our specialty is helping you find the solution that best suits your needs. In today's world, digitalization and modernization are critical for long-term sustainability, and Brock Solutions is the perfect partner to help you achieve your goals. So don't wait to start benefiting from the advanced features and flexibility that our solutions have to offer. Contact us to learn more about how SmartBag and SmartSuite can help streamline your baggage operations and enhance your passenger experience today.